Welcome to our channel. How to set up your Nighthawk M6 Pro mobile hotspot router. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step procedure to set up your Nighthawk M6 or M6 Pro mobile hotspot router. The video not only includes the basic setup, but also includes how you can enable the enhanced in-home performance mode in your hotspot router. Let's get started. First of all, get all the components in place: M6 Pro mobile hotspot, 1 battery, a USB-C charging cable, a battery cover, a power adapter, and an activated SIM card. On the back of the device, locate SIM card slot in the upper left corner. Gently slide your activated SIM card into the slot. Do not use any tools such as paper clips or pins, it could damage your device and void your warranty. Now insert the battery by aligning it with the metal connectors. Note, the Netgear logo on the battery should face you. Your battery comes partially charged, but to charge it fully, connect the USB cable to your hotspot. Plug the other end of the USB into the power adapter or a USB port on your system. Long press the power button located on the top edge of the device to turn it on. The LCD touchscreen will power up. From here, you can personalize the Wi-Fi settings. Use the touchscreen to rename your Wi-Fi network. Create a new secure Wi-Fi password and adjust your standby settings as required. Once personalization is done, your M6 Pro is ready to connect to the internet. On your device, open Wi-Fi settings and find your M6 Pro's network name. Select it, enter the Wi-Fi password you've created, and connect your device to the network. Your laptop should now be connected to high-speed 5G internet through the hotspot. You can repeat this on any other Wi-Fi-enabled devices. Now let's talk about the in-home performance mode, also known as fixed wireless mode. If you're using the M6 Pro in a fixed location like home or the office with AC power, it allows you to boost the range by removing the battery. After removing the battery, plug the device directly into the power outlet using the USB cable and power adapter. This enables in-home performance mode, extending your Wi-Fi coverage up to 2,000 square feet. That's it, your Nighthawk M6 Pro is now fully set up and ready to deliver 5G internet whether you're on the go or using it indoors with extended coverage. If this setup guide helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends who might find it useful. Thank you for watching.